What if the greatest threat to our oceans is something you can't even see? Prepare to meet the invisible giants rewriting the rules of life beneath the waves. If your idea of a virus is just the flu, you're missing the real ocean monsters. We often think of viruses as simple pathogens, agents of disease that cause common ailments like the flu or a cold. But the viral world is far more diverse and complex than most people realize, especially in the vast, unexplored realm of our oceans. If tiny means harmless, think again. These microscopic entities, often dwarfed by even the smallest bacteria, wield immense power. Their impact on marine ecosystems and, by extension, the entire planet, is far from negligible. In fact, their size belies their significance. If you thought we'd mapped all marine life, you're in for a shock. Despite centuries of exploration, the ocean remains largely uncharted territory. New species are discovered regularly, and our understanding of the intricate relationships within marine ecosystems is constantly evolving. The viral component of this ecosystem is particularly mysterious. Recently, scientists uncovered a hidden army, a revelation that has sent ripples of excitement and intrigue through the scientific community. 230 new giant viruses, a discovery that challenges our conventional understanding of viral biology, lurking in our oceans. These aren't just floating around, they're actively interacting with their environment, influencing the delicate balance of marine life. These aren't your average bugs. They dwarf typical viruses in size and complexity, possessing characteristics that blur the lines between viruses and cellular organisms. They're enormous, some with more genes than bacteria, a genetic payload that allows them to perform functions previously thought to be exclusive to cellular life. And they target tiny ocean plants called protists, the foundation of the marine food chain, including algae. These microscopic organisms are responsible for a significant portion of the planet's primary production, converting sunlight into energy and releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. But here's where it gets wild. The story takes an unexpected turn, revealing a level of viral sophistication that is both fascinating and concerning. These viruses don't just infect. Their mode of interaction with their hosts goes far beyond simple infection. They hijack. They seize control of the host cell's machinery, bending it to their own purposes. They carry genes for photosynthesis, a capability that is unheard of in the viral world, the process that powers almost all life on Earth. This means these viruses can directly influence the energy flow within marine ecosystems. Once inside their host, the viral invasion begins, a process of cellular takeover that is both elegant and ruthless. These viral invaders can reprogram the entire cell, rewriting its genetic code and altering its fundamental functions, changing how it makes food, dictating the flow of energy and resources within the cell, or even shutting it down. The consequences of this cellular shutdown can cascade through the ecosystem. Why does this matter? The implications of these viral activities are far-reaching and potentially transformative. Algae and other protists produce half the oxygen we breathe, making them essential for the survival of countless organisms, including ourselves, and form the base of the marine food web. They are the primary producers, fueling the entire ecosystem from the smallest zooplankton to the largest whales. When viruses tinker with their metabolism, altering the way they process energy and nutrients, they could ripple across entire ecosystems, disrupting the delicate balance of life, and potentially triggering unforeseen consequences. Triggering harmful algal blooms, which can devastate marine life and release toxins into the water. Altering carbon cycles, affecting the ocean's ability to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and potentially exacerbating climate change, or even threatening public health. The toxins produced by some algae can accumulate in seafood, posing a risk to human consumers. And here's the kicker, the most astonishing aspect of this discovery, the detail that truly underscores the magnitude of the unknown. We're just scratching the surface. Our current understanding of these giant viruses and their impact on the ocean is incredibly limited. These 230 new viruses come with a treasure trove of genetic information, over 500 never-before-seen proteins. Proteins with structures and sequences that defy anything we've encountered before. What do they do? What roles do these novel proteins play in the viral life cycle and their interactions with their hosts? No one knows yet. Their functions remain a complete mystery, a tantalizing puzzle for scientists to unravel. The ocean is full of secrets, a vast and unexplored frontier teeming with undiscovered life and unknown processes. And its smallest giants might just be the key to understanding the ones shaping the fate of our planet. These microscopic entities, often overlooked, may be wielding a disproportionate influence on global processes. The more we learn, the more we delve into the intricacies of these viral interactions, the more mysterious and vital these viral puppeteers become. Their role in shaping marine ecosystems and influencing global biogeochemical cycles is only beginning to be understood. So next time you gaze out at the sea, contemplating its vastness and power, remember, the real drama is happening far below the waves, in a world teeming with microscopic life and death struggles at a scale you'll never see. A world where giant viruses are rewriting the rules of life and shaping the destiny of our planet.